Good morning, students. Today we will discuss more about your chapter 1 of your English book, that is Early Made Impossible Possible. We will discuss more about STP 3. Before going to discuss it in detail, let us go and recap about STP 2.
Okay, students, after completion of this particular paragraph, you will be able to read the paragraph with proper stress, intonation, and pause. You will be able to guess and say the meaning of new words given in the paragraph, such as postponed, terribly, upset, etc. Answer the comprehension question based on the paragraph and answer functional grammar based questions by using ly as suffix in words such as terribly, friendly, luckily. Before going to learn more about the story in SCP-3, let us quickly recap what we have studied in SCP-2. When the trial was going on, after the first witness, the second witness was called to the witness box, and the judge asked him when the theft was made. Was it a day or night? The second witness replied, Your Honor, it was night. Thereafter, the judge asked the next question to the second witness. How many persons were there? The witness replied, 25 persons, my lord. The final question of the judge to the witness was, What was the color of the purse? The witness replied, White color, Your Honor. Okay, students, we have recapitulated what we have studied in STP2. Now let us go to the STP3 and learn more about the story. I am reading this paragraph. The trial was postponed for the next day, but the lawyer was terribly upset. He scolded the witnesses for giving contradictory facts, but each of the witnesses told that he had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. No need for sending a third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. Ali, the lawyer's cook, was listening to all this. He said, Take me as third witness. I can save the case. The lawyer laughed and said, This is impossible. As you are a mere cook, you should know this, Ali. Ali, in his faulty English, said, Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years, and you know I can also cook the judge and the governor. I am an excellent cook. I know how to make impossible possible. Give me a chance, sir. Now, all of you open your book and again listen to me and see your books carefully which line I am reading. Okay, open your books. The trial was postponed for the next day, but the lawyer was terribly upset. He could he scolded the witness for giving contradictory facts, but each of the witnesses told that he had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. No need for sending a third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. Ali, the lawyer's cook, was listening to all this. He said, Take me as third witness. I can save the case. The lawyer laughed and said, This is impossible. As you are a mere cook, you should know this, Ali. Ali, in his faulty English, said, Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years, and you know I can also cook the judge and the governor. I am an excellent cook. I know how to make impossible possible. Give me a chance. Dear students, we read 2 times this paragraph. Now let us summarize what this paragraph states. This paragraph states that in the next day the trial was going on. The lawyer was very upset. He scolded the witnesses for giving different facts, but both witnesses said that they had told the truth. The lawyer said the case is lost and no hope of saving the case. Thereafter, what happens in the next paragraph? Thereafter, the lawyer Cook Ali came forward to appear before the court as third witness and giving hope to the lawyer that he can make impossible possible. Okay? Dear students, now let us see some new words meaning that are there in the paragraph. Okay, the first word is postpone. To understand its meaning, let us see the sentence. From that sentence, we will derive its meaning. So the word postpone sentence is due to heavy rain, the match between India and Australia was postponed. That means the match is delayed. The match is postponed. Means it is arranged for another day or another time to take place. Similarly, second word is terribly. Terribly, the sentence using terribly word is I am terribly excited about tonight's reality show at Gopalpur. It means I am extremely happy, I am very strongly happy, strongly excited. So terribly word means very badly or very strongly. Okay. The third word is contradictory. Contradictory means not matching. That means the let us see the example. The witnesses gave contradictory statements in the court. Contradictory means two different things which are not matching to each other. Okay. Then grumbled. Let us see the example. We should not grumble on elder members' advice. Okay. Normally we don't accept their advice. So grumble means expressing discontent in a low voice, expressing your disapproval, not accepting what elder members normally advise us. So we should not grumble on elder members' advice. Okay. Okay. Now let us answer some comprehension questions based on the paragraph. Okay. The question 1 is the trial is postponed for which day? The options are option A, the trial was postponed for the Sunday. Option B, the trial was postponed for the next day. Option C, the trial was postponed for the same day. Option D, the trial was not at all postponed. Okay, Samir, tell me the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option B. The trial was postponed for the next day. Okay. Now let us go to the second question. The second question is who is terribly upset? In this question, you will also get four options. Option A, the first witness was terribly upset. Option B, the second witness was terribly upset. Option C, the judge was terribly upset. Option D, the lawyer was terribly upset. Okay. Akash, tell me what will be the right answer? Yes, the lawyer was terribly upset. So, okay, let's answer question 3. Why the witnesses were scolded by the lawyer? Option A. The witnesses were scolded by the lawyer because of giving contradictory statements. Option B. The witnesses were scolded by the lawyer because of not obeying the lawyer. The witness option C. The witnesses were scolded by the lawyer because of not present at the court. And option D. The witnesses were scolded by the lawyer because of their wrong behavior. Okay, who can say the right answer? Yes, Aisa. The right answer is the witnesses were scolded by the lawyer because of giving contradictory statements. So option A is the right answer. Now let us move on to the question number 4. The question is who was taken as third witness? Okay. Option A, the first witness was taken as third witness. Option B, the second witness was taken as third witness. Option C, the lawyer's cook was taken as third witness. Option D, the judge was taken as third witness. Okay. Sai, tell me which one is the correct answer? Yes, very good. Option C is the right answer. The lawyer's cook was taken as the third witness. Okay. Now let us try to answer question number 5. Question number 5 is, who said I can save the case? Option A, the lawyer's first witness said that he can save the case. Option B, the lawyer's cook said that he can save the case. Option C, the lawyer's second witness said that he can save the case. Option D, the lawyer himself said that he can save the case. So, the correct answer is the lawyer's cook said that he can save the case. Okay, students, we have reached through the last comprehension question. Sixth question. The question is, the case is lost. Why did the lawyer said so? Option A, as all the witnesses were telling contradictory statements, hence the lawyer said there is no hope of saving the case. Option B, as the first witness was telling contradictory statements, hence the lawyer said there is no hope of saving the case. Option C, as the second witness was telling contradictory statements, hence the lawyer said there is no hope of saving the case. And option D, as the judges were telling contradictory statements, hence the lawyer said there is no hope of saving the case. So tell me, which one is the correct answer for this particular question? Yes, Anirudh, the correct answer is option A, as all the witnesses were telling contradictory statements. Hence, the lawyer said there is no hope of saving the case. Students, okay, students. Now let us answer some functional grammar questions. You have to add ly as suffix to these given words and you have to rewrite. Okay. So terrible plus ly. When we add ly to the word terrible, it becomes terribly. Similarly, lucky, when added with ly as suffix, it becomes luckily. Then friendly. Then, yes, very good, correctly. Then, excellent, politely. Okay. Now, these are the two questions. You read it first and try to answer. Okay. So, the first question is, who are there in this part of the prose? That means, in STP3, who are the characters in the prose? So the answer is the lawyer, second witness, the judge, Ali, the lawyer's cook are there in this part of the story. Okay, students, now we will see two questions. The first question is, who are there in this part of the prose? In this part of the prose or in STP3, the characters who are there in the story are the lawyer, second witness, the judge, Ali, the lawyer's cook are there in this part of the story. The last question is, why did Ali came forward to save the case? So, you might have written that as a cook, Ali was serving since 10 years and observing everything happening. Now, he felt the need to help the lawyer by becoming a third witness for the case. Hence, he came forward to save the case. Okay, this is a small homework for you. Write down in your copy and try to answer. What you will do if you would be in Ali's place? Write the answer of this particular question in 5 to 6 lines. With this, we have reached at the last part of the class. Keep learning. Thank you.